Introducing the OnePlus Nord 6 with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and a fresh mint finish. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The OnePlus Nord 6 is the ultimate all-rounder. Enjoy the segment's first steady and smooth 165 FPS gaming experience on BGMI and CODM. Key features include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for elite performance and a 165Hz AMOLED display. It also boasts the segment's largest 9,000 mAh battery for over 2.5 days of power and a powerful camera system. Experience the ultimate tri-chips, the flagship Snapdragon 8 series chip, the Touch Reflex chip, and the Wi-Fi booster chip for seamless performance. Power through your day with the segment's largest flagship 9,000 mAh battery. Enjoy segment's first steady and smooth 165 FPS gaming. The device features an all-new Wi-Fi booster chip and 5G advanced support for superior connectivity. Get immersed in the segment's first gaming PC-style 165Hz AMOLED display. Capture stunning photos with the 50-megapixel Sony LYTIA main camera with dual-axis OIS, a 32-megapixel selfie camera with multi-focus sensor, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. Benefit from 27W reverse charging, giving you 12 hours of music playback from just 10 minutes of charging. The Nord 6 offers the industry's most complete IP ratings, including IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K for robust protection. Leverage AI with Google Gemini integration to help you plan trips and organize content from Mindspace. Experience flagship performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 ROM, the Nord 6 delivers PC-level 165 FPS steady smooth gaming for years to come. Enjoy the segment's first steady and smooth 165 FPS gaming on BGMI and CODM. This eliminates frame drops and lag, ensuring fluid visuals and instantaneous touch response for console-like stability. Nord 6's EdgeTech solutions offer a competitive edge. This includes 165 FPS graphic smoothness, spatial audio boost, the Touch Reflex chip, and a 6-axis gyroscope for drift-free accuracy. The segment's largest 9,000 mAh battery provides over 2.5 days of power in an 8.5mm slim body. Enjoy up to 26.9 hours of streaming or 11.1 hours of non-stop BGMI gaming. Equipped with 80W SUPER-VOOC charging, a 5-minute charge gives up to 2.5 hours of YouTube streaming. The 27W reverse charging offers 12 hours of music playback with a 10-minute charge. Capture lifelike clarity and natural colors, even in low light, with the 50-megapixels Sony main camera featuring dual-axis OIS and a 32MP Galaxy Core front camera. Dedicated multi-focusing sensors and HDR algorithms ensure best-in-class clarity for photos and 4K 60 FPS videos, delivering perfection in any light. The segment's first 165Hz 1.5K AMOLED display with AquaTouch 2.0 provides flagship killer 165Hz smooth visuals and instantaneous touch response up to 3,200 Hz. This industry breaker OLED reaches up to 1,800 nits under sunlight and dims down to 2 nit for eye-comfy midnight scrolling. Achieve full-force connectivity 24/7 with the Wi-Fi booster chip and 5G advanced support, offering faster Wi-Fi and lower ping even when away from the router. The Nord 6 supports 5G Advanced by Reliance Jio, providing more than 3 times the internet data speeds compared to regular 5G.